Comfort Nkanda. Since when you and your papa enter the life of Odogwu, Odogwu life never remained the same. Since when you and your papa use that gate matter enter Odogwu body, Odogwu life never remained the same. Na so beat now Odogwu dey collect since then. Your papa beat her, you give her gbas, slap her, your papa slap her, auntie can't continue. Auntie do you. E pikin continue. E pikin don dey do you now, e husband still do e own. Since wey be say your father enter the life of this boy life never remain the same. See wetin auntie pikin do this evening, and you are the cause of everything. You are the cause of everything because you don't want this boy to have peace of mind. You don't want this boy to have peace of mind. Now you just want make dem dey beat this boy up and down. You don't want this boy to have peace of mind. Auntie dey where e dey jejeje. You say make Odogwu go bring auntie come back because you feel say as you dey maltreat the way wey you take do traffic that time, your mind feel say na wetin traffic wan come dey do you. You feel say as you dey beat traffic, you dey hit am, dey pour beans for your body, do everything wey you wan do to them that time, your conscience thought that is the same thing traffic go do to you as number one no dey house. You say make dem go bring auntie come back. Since one auntie come back, enter step into left for that house, na one problem to another. Today now auntie pikin now don come dey beat Odogwu for house. Odogwu keep calm because e no go fit retaliate, na e elder sister. Auntie go beat you now. Wetin make you stop to dey beat Odogwu because of say na belle wey you come get for am, wey you open kpekus for am. E open kpekus for am for that hotel that very day. See the life of this young man. Una no want this young man to have peace. How old is Odogwu? Wey Odogwu dey pass through the stress up and down. Person come back for work, just dey enter inside house. E ever even enter inside e house make e go push shirt make e rest. Na beating na e start to beating and see slap one auntie pikin carry load am for face. As that girl hand heavy reach, you no just want make this young man make e get peace of mind. You no want. Now you want auntie make e go now, make e go since Odogwu say make e go. No be you say make Odogwu go bring the auntie come. I don't know what is your problem. You be tata? Are you a baby they will look after? Are you a baby? The time when you dey your husband house, any of your husband people leave their house, come they take care of you? The time when you dey your husband house, because I wish you stay your husband at jejeje. This calm where you come, so I wish you come for your husband. You would have been in your husband's house now. Because if they talk, your people body go dey pepper your people, they go remain small, make they go hawk transformer. I wish this calm as you calm like this. Now so you calm, respect your husband, calm like this for your husband. You foresee dey your husband house. Whether your husband has money, he don't have money. But one thing about life is peace of mind. That matters a lot. Nobody will control you. You will do okay inside your husband house. Your husband go comot any of he auntie for your husband house, make he come sit down with you, take care of you. Me, I no understand this. You ever born pikin? Belle still dey there, you ever born? Now where person born, now they can't do omugo. Your own, they don't they do you omugo where you ever born. You can't become mama where they take after, where they look after. Auntie can't take because of you reject the pikin. Reject the pikin when you don't know day where go break tomorrow. As he say you go now you go feel replace the space of your daughter for your life because he dey shameless. Auntie take because of you reject the pikin. Say your papa say make he dey take care of you because you don't chest to tata oduma wey come chest to tata small pikin overnight where they want they pamper or they take care of. I no understand. Comfort you please give this young man peace of mind. Allow Odogwu to get rest. This beat wey una dey beat this young man, it is too much. See wetin auntie pikin come do now. You just say for Odogwu mama and papa dey alive, all this thing wey dey happen now will happen to this young man? The answer is no. Except say parents no go see, maybe they no know their self. But if the parents know themselves, this kind thing will not happen to odogwu. How old odogwu dey wey una just dey make this boy dey pass through this stress like say tomorrow no dey? Wetin una wan kpai am? How old e dey? My people, comfort na you draw this wahala come back again now. Small time now, aunty husband go still carry wahala, e go come dey drag odogwu up and down. You come dey drag odogwu. Allow aunty odogwu to get peace of mind. You no want. Odogwu, the worst mistake you make that day was for you to accept the request of this comfort of bringing back aunty. I talk am that day say the mistake wey you make is for you to go and bring back aunty. You accept the request for comfort and come go bring back aunty. My people, make una share this video. This one don dey too much. E don dey too much. Make una allow this boy to rest. This life no get duplicate o. This one wey una dey beat this boy, this life no get duplicate o. Hey, guys, make una share this video if you come across this video. Thank you, my people.